I don't even know how to start this. Carly's mediocre baking. I guess I could just start by saying that the audio is going to be trash because I don't have a mic and I'm recording with my phone. And yeah, I am trying to make videos of myself baking just to see where it goes. And I have an issue with making mistakes, and this is something that I hope that I can document and just remind myself that it's okay to make mistakes and to let myself make mistakes and to remind myself that it's okay and that's not the end of the world. I am going to try to make some lemon shortbread cookies. I don't know how it'll go. I made them once and they looked and tasted good, but I do not know if I can replicate that because I am using a different recipe. This is not a tutorial. Do not follow whatever I'm doing. This is purely just to make myself watch myself do something and be okay if it's bad. All right, let's get started. I already messed up. I forgot to take the butter out to let it soften. So most preparation I did was shop for stuff, but not actually really understand the recipe before doing this. The ingredients for this bake that I am going to try to do calls for salt. It says sea salt. I am using kosher salt. I don't know if that's going to make a difference because I literally don't follow rules in baking. Butter, lemon, thyme. It calls for cane sugar, but I am using...
It is the next day from when I made my video, and you know how I was talking about how I didn't have cane sugar? I didn't know that cane sugar is regular sugar.
That's what I have, and some flour. We'll see how it goes. Since I did not leave my butter out to soften, I am going to zest the lemon first. It's a very low budget production here. It's literally my iPhone and my camera that I have to pre-focus on everything. Have some of my zest. Well, it's not really zest, I just chopped up the skin. Alright, I'm just gonna try to whip the butter there. Oh look, I've collected it all into the whisk. I'm already tired. What the heck? If this becomes a series, what do I call it? Struggle baking? Is that already out there? I did look up baking therapy, which is what I think what I wanted this to be. It's been like 30 seconds. I'm so weak. I'm so weak. Help. Think about being an electric mixer. I am an electric whisker. Well, sorry. Recipe is not cursed. Cursed baking! Oh wow, baking is so hard for me. Like nothing I make ever comes out right. Just not even use the right ingredients, follow the right instructions. I am setting myself up for failure. I'm tired. It's literally been 20 seconds or less. Probably less. Oh my god, this is so much of an arm workout. This video is literally just gonna be me complaining about how hard it is to whip. This looks really pretty. And it smells really nice. It's just buttered sugar. Butter sugar? Sugar butter. Butter sugar? Sugar butter. I don't know. gonna do it by hand. Chaos. And everything is stuck in the whisk and everything's okay. It is coming together. Just this is happening. To push the dough out. Ah, it looks bad. It looks bad. It's breaking. They have a good color. Honestly, they don't look too bad. They smell really good. The cookie that is this size because it was whatever was left. Wonder if like it tastes good. I don't know about I can chew the lemon zest. It's not great to have the zest not actually zested. Maybe the next time I make something like this or anything that requires lemon zest, I'll probably get a microplane so that I can actually zest it because I'm still chewing the lemon skin. Granted, honestly, the flavor is pretty good. It's lemony, but it doesn't taste like sour. I don't love the way that they turned out, but I don't hate them either. Like, they're good. Honestly, I don't even know if this requires an outro. I think I'm just trying to structure this to have some type of loose flow of what it's supposed to be like. I don't know, it's my first one. I hope I make more. I kind of have several things that I want to try to bake, so at least I'll do something. I don't know if it'll get recorded. I hope it does. Really depends on what my experience is editing this. Let's hope there is another one. Overall, this was fun. I'll probably do it again. I only say that because I don't want to guarantee something that's not going to be guaranteed. But yeah, excited to continue to be baking. Bye. I hate myself.